I don't believe in you.
Well,
Okay, next, Mr.
I'm not
Chair.
asking you to believe in me.
Okay, fine.
Far from it. Michael Yang is out there. He has not been arrested. Wala namang dossier na pinapakita sa akin. Eh kung mayroon ako na ang pumatay, hindi na kailangan ang pulis. Ako na mismo ang...
Kung may ebidensya po tayo na involved siya sa droga, papatayin niyo rin po si
Oo.
Michael Yang?
Ako. Maniwala ka.
Kung may mga ebidensya po,
Oo.
papatayin niyo?
Sasama, tawagan kita kasama.
Hindi po. Ayokong
Hindi,
maging...
samahin
Ayoko
kita.
pong maging katulad
ikaw
ninyo,
yung
no? At ayokong masama
witness.
doon sa patayan.
You will
So,
be
hindi
a
po.
witness to a murder.
At ito ay magsisilbing lesson, Mr. Chair, kay Mr. Duterte, no, at sa mga susunod na mga mamumuno sa ating bayan. Hindi po solusyon ang pagpatay, no? Kung walang mga hanap buhay, bigyan ng hanap buhay. Pagsikapan dito nga, 'di ba? Ginagawa nga natin ng buong makakaya natin para bigyan ng kahit papaano ay tulong yung ating mga mamamayan. So hindi po ito dapat patayin, no? So mukhang mali po yung line of thinking
Hindi
ni
dapat, ma'am. Pero kung talagang,
Mr. Duterte.
if the situation calls for it, I will not hesitate. And the police should not hesitate. Especially facing a criminal who is also going to kill you. Pag hinuli mo, dapat patayin mo talaga. At ayaw kong makita na buhayan kasi gamutin mo pa sa ospital, magastos pa ang gobyerno, tapos tapon mo doon sa prisuhan, pakakainin mo pa. Tapusin mo na. That is my philosophy.
And I don't believe in you,
If
Mr.
you do
Mr.
not
Chair.
like if you do not like my ideology, fine. That's mine. Bahala ka na sa buhay mo kung ano yun.
Opo. At bahala na rin po yung yung hustisya, no, yung batas sa inyo po, whether dito sa bansa or sa ibang bansa po.
Naging presidente
Pero
ako.
kung ganyan po yung, Mr. Chair, kung ganyan ang line of thinking ni Mr. Duterte, na walang ganyan niya ituring ang mga mamamayan, na kapag hindi niya mabigyan ng hanap buhay, nagdroga yan, patayin na lang. So what kind of thinking of that, Mr. Chair?
Right thinking.
That's yours.
What else can you think of? It's the right thinking.
I don't believe in you.
Well,
Okay, next, Mr.
I'm not
Chair.
asking you to believe in me.
Okay, fine.
Far from it.
Fine, Mr. Chair. In same Senate hearing, Mr. Chair, Mr. Duterte said, encourage the criminals to fight. Encourage them to draw their guns. Yan ang instructions ko. And the only way na hindi kayo makulong, and to justify the killing is bigyan mo talaga ng panahon na lumaban. Okay? So, madalas po, Mr. Chair, nababanggit dito, self-defense ng mga pulis, yung ginagawa nilang pagbaril o pagpatay sa mga biktima ng or yung mga hinuhuli nila at pinapatay nila. So, as a lawyer, Mr. Chair, tanungin ko si Mr. Duterte, ano po ba yung elements of self-defense?
When your life is placed in danger, whether as a civilian or a police, you have the right to defend. And if your life is in danger, kill the idiot in front of you, or you will die as an idiot. At yung kriminal, malayang but have the satisfaction of doing his thing.
Okay, yun po ba, as a lawyer, yun po yung inyong alam tungkol doon sa elements ng self-defense?
that ibang ano ma'am, performance of duty, yung self-defense, elements of self-defense, kasali yan doon sa, it also at favors the policeman or soldier. Isa lang ang standard niyan, ma'am. Are you in danger of losing your life in front of a person, whether really criminal or your enemy, galit mo, and there's a confrontation, a violent activity ensues, and if your life is in danger, put the idiot down. Rather mamatay ka. Ano ba itong buhay na ito?
Okay.
Pagdrama ba tayo?
Thank you po, Mr. Chair.
Salamat.
So sinasabi niyo po, encourage the criminals to fight. Okay? Encourage them